pick up this Victory Red certified 2011 Chevrolet Camaro, available today. Featuring automatic transmission, it has 35,222 miles. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact us and get behind the wheel today.